Want to know how to change your language in booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you and see a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your booking.com website. So you can just simply head towards any web browser, open it up and head towards booking.com. And you should be right here. So once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well, which is optional for this video, but I would recommend. So once you have done that, on the top navigation bar you should be seeing the logo of booking.com itself and with the currency, and right beside it you should be seeing the language or the flag of it. This is how you change it. So you can just simply select that contrast flag that's showing. For now it's English right here. So you can just simply select change your language, and now you can just simply change it to the following right here: Norks, Suomi, Chinese, Filipino, and much more. So I'll just go for English, that is US for now, and now your website should reload and you should be good to go. And that's it. This is how you easily change your language in booking.com. As you can see, the flag has changed as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.